Well, quote of the day: the best dispatchers, we do not book. We do not sell. We solve. We solve your problems. We make sure our cares are surviving and they keep growing. Every no builds our confidence. We do not give up. We learn and we keep going. Don't give up. If you just starting this journey, remember, knowledge is a power and you can become a pro dispatcher if you understand how it works and if you build confidence. And confidence comes with knowledge. Our next training is starting April 26. If you're already pro dispatcher and you would like to add extra services, remember our IFTA is next Saturday, April 12th. And then we're following with our safety and compliance. The freight market might shift, but your mindset should always stay in gear. Love you guys.